Hello, we're back on savouries now, and today we're cooking a fish dish, grilled hake, which is associated with Fleetwood. But it did have a bit of a checkered history, because when times were good in the 19th century, they so despised hake, they used to call them blackmouths, that they'd throw them back in the sea. Didn't think they had much sales value until some enterprising guy took some to Manchester and it went flying off the stalls. So then it became popular again. But at one time as well, it was so plentiful that they had some to give away to poor families in the town. But nowadays it's not terribly popular. I had a bit of difficulty finding it, to be honest. First went to Morrison's, didn't sell it at all. Then went to Sainsbury's. They only had it as an ingredient in a fish pie mix. But third time lucky, Asda came up with the goods. So, without any more ado, we'll pop over to the kitchen for my usual unseen assistant to prepare grilled hake. Okay, so the ingredients are the hake, which my unseen assistant has already seasoned, and some melted butter. Well, it's in the process of melting, and we're then going to add some orange juice. Yes. A lemon juice, and then of course, with it being grilled hake, we're going to put it on the grill. Now, that's all there is to it really, but yeah, we'll try and do it to bring out something very tasty.
There you go. So,
should mention that we're having potatoes and carrots with this. These are not part of the recipe, but obviously we're not just going to eat pieces of fish on their own. So, and you know, choose whatever you want to accompany it.
you want to say that this is marinating now in the butter?
Right, now, so we've got the fish well and truly in the melted butter. And have we added the lemon juice, my unseen assistant? And she's also added the lemon juice. Didn't call me in to film any of this, but never mind. Right, okay. Now I'm going to transfer the hake to the grill. Okay, the recipe in the book says grill it for 7 minutes, not too close to the top, and then after 7 minutes turn it over and grill the other side. Okay, and my unseen assistant has already turned them over and believes they've been improved with an extra bit of butter on, so should be ready to eat pretty shortly. And that's what it looks like when it comes out off the grill, nicely browned. And now it's time to take a sample to Simon.
Not bad.
Okay.
All I need for this is a fork.
Yeah.
Alright. To try it.
Now, Simon is going to try grilled hake.
I'll try a bit from like this bit. Actually, it looks quite nice, to be honest.
Billy.
Nuh-uh.
What's up, Simon?
Texture's nice, don't like the taste. Got a bit of a sort of metallic-y sort of edge there. I don't really like that.
Eat your veg.
Okay, so bid for no from Simon, unfortunately.
Alright, here is Mike's turn for the taste test.
Yeah, you can taste the lemon there, and yeah, it's quite chewy, but yeah, perfectly eatable. So I don't mind grilled hake. Thank you for watching.
I personally dislike grilled hake.